Hello and welcome to a new video of the Burg-Wächter professionals. In this video we will show you how to create a new user for our safe electronics and how to open the safe with the new code. If you want to create an additional user to the administrator, you must first activate the electronics with the On button. When the display is active, you can reach the main menu by pressing the Func key. There, the new user is set up in the administrator area. To get there, press the 2 key twice and confirm your selection with Enter. The user menu is already active. Press the Enter key to select. The menu Create is active and you only have to confirm with Enter. To create the new user, please confirm Create User with Enter. Now you first have to enter the administrator code. In my case it is the factory code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can create the new user. The 6-digit user code can be chosen freely. I choose 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 and confirm with Enter 3 times. The new user has been created successfully. Now we test if opening the safe with the new user code works. To do this, we press the Func key 4 times to get back to the main menu. Here you enter the user code and can then open the safe door by pulling the handle forward and turning it to the left.